case, AI is forcing you to fix it. It's forcing you to automate. And it's forcing you to do things that you didn't want to do. What is the market going to be AI in construction? And I've got to tell you, for the first time in a long time, I'm finally excited. And let me tell you why I'm excited. And no, AI is not coming for your job, by the way. But what it is coming for people who don't update their skills. For the longest time, the construction industry has sucked at updating skills, and people could just do the same thing and kind of always just be like, hey, you know what? If it's not broke, don't fix it. But in this case, AI is forcing you to fix it. It's forcing you to automate. And it's forcing you to do things that you didn't want to do because either you're lazy at your job or people just love not just work and get the paycheck. So what I love about it is the fact that not only is it going to be more of a co-pilot, but we are in the era now talking about Agentic, right? And Agentic just means that now it'll actually be able to perform tasks on your actual machine. So it's going away from it utilizing the web versus now it can be called multi-model Agentic. And so now you've got Gemini 4.6, you got Cling, you've got Nano Pro. So you've got all these different softwares that you can utilize for all sorts of things. I mean, I'm talking about things of animations. My favorite part for me is the fact that it can go into the softwares like Excel, Revit, any design softwares that you can think of. I'm sure it's going to be in SketchUp at some point. It's already in D5 rendering. It's already in various. Shout out to Bill Allen. Make sure you guys go watch this live from Chaos on Chaos now. It used to be various as far as rendering using a Nano Pro, but it's so much cool stuff out there that you're going to have to learn and understand. And you may say, you know what, man, that's a lot of stuff. I don't have time to learn all this stuff. I got a job. I get it. But at the same time, you know, we can't afford just to sit back and this AI revolution coming in and then we're going to be stuck on the sideline. I'm here to tell you that for somebody who's been 25 years in, makes really, really good money. I'm still nervous and have to make sure I update my skills of learning and making sure that I can utilize AI to take out all the monotonous stuff that's out there. Because, hey, let's face it. I mean, it's a competitive world, and as you get older, you want to make sure you update your skill set just so you can be in the right spaces in the right times. So it's not coming for your job, but it is going to replace people who don't adjust to the new world. Really, really important. And I want you to understand that as my tribe rate all of a sudden gets lighter, that this is the time. The time is actually now to get out there and to really, really understand, hey, I don't care what you're doing. AI is coming. It's not taking a back seat, right? So you need to know what it's going to do and how it's going to integrate your job. And all the different tools that you use, like I said before, I'm in the construction space, the technology space. I do lectures on AI, I do lectures all around the country about the different AI ethics and things of that nature. And you've got to be prepared, update your skills. Now, the good thing about this is Nvidia, Google, MIT, all of them have free courses that you can learn about large language models. And then just also add different softwares to the mix as well than a plugin. And basically what it's doing is has Anthropic, which is another word for Claude, AI, and it now works on your computer. So now I'm over here in my design software, it has Claude inside of it, and it's using this program. And I'm just typing to it. I'm giving them just real world questions. Hey, I need quantities. Hey, I want to create this drawing. Hey, I want this moved over here. Tell me how many structural beams. All the things that I used to do manually, now it's taking all these repetitive tasks, and now what? It's now moving this forward. And that's what's so important, is the move forward aspect. It's going to integrate everything that you do. Excel, it's going to integrate all these different things. So here's my challenge to you while I'm stuck in traffic. My challenge to you is to download, and now it costs. It's going to be probably about $19-20 a month. So much worth it, right? You've got so many different things. I mean, on the weekend, I built the app, I built a website, all just typing with simple prompts. So if anything, or you're at home, anything that you do in your everyday life, have something just on the side because we need it to stay. Anything that you do in your everyday life, See what you can do as far as utilizing AI. The best one I would tell you to do that I'm really enjoying, and I trust me, I still love ChatGPT, still a great thing. Even if you're an architect, start bringing AI for your rendering. It's so wild that you could do with, Gemini, right? Professionals be able to change things, but still have the rendering. Things that we used to tell time to render or render farms at 3D Max. Well, guess what? You can still do quick renderings to get the job done. You can do fly-throughs to get the job done. You can do 4D sequencing to get the job done. In a matter of minutes, they used to take hours to do. And that's what I'm talking about. If you got a deck at home that you need some improvement, go in and try to see what you can do with AI as far as planning that out, seeing what that looks like from a deck perspective. It's so many different things that AI can do. Or let's just say right now, you have a job and you want to know what skill sets to do. I would even just go on Gemini AI, switch it to Pro mode once you purchase it, and then start asking the questions about, hey, what can I do? How, as far as the job, what skill sets do I need to be able to learn with AI to make sure that I stay competitive, make sure I stay relevant? Because at the end of the day, each one teach one. As you learn these AI skills, as I'm going to be teaching AI skills on my YouTube channel, The Street Architect, I want you guys to learn whatever I'm going to do from a productivity standpoint and teach you guys, and then you guys can go out and teach somebody else, right? Let's build this community so we don't be left out in the cold, right? So we can get this money. And just, the one thing I love about Gen Z doesn't wait to make money. Gen Z's like, pay me now. And for all my millennials, we were told, hey, we're in this business to eventually get here, work hard, you finally make the money, right? Rich people make money fast, okay? Broke people make money slow. So keep that in mind, all right? Make sure you stay competitive. Make sure that you're doubling down on your skills with Gemini, with Claude, with Anthropic, all right? Learn these different softwares, okay? So many different things that you guys can learn and understand. Though you're saying, hey, it's so much stuff out here and AI is being brought everywhere. But the first thing you can do is make sure you understand what AI is, how it can help you improve in your current day, every day, right? And then third, what AI is not doing that you can also enhance skills. Because at the end of the day, this is also about making money, right? We all love money, but you got to get there first. You got to get there fast, right? And you got to be present when you're doing it. And as you learn this skill set and everything else, like I said, tap into my school community, Street Architect on there as well. I'm going to be doing lives, Q&As, and making sure that anyone who's in the profession of BIM, AI, construction, architectural, interior, anyone, join the lives. We're going to be going through the processes, live demonstrations of how you can utilize this type of stuff because it's so important. All right.